In this short video, I'll show you how to determine an equation in factored form from a graph parabola. We've been provided a graph, and in our graph we have two very important pieces of information. One, we have the roots, and two, we have the vertex. Now recall that the template of factored form looks like this, where R and S represent your x-intercepts of the roots, and A represents the opening, the stretch, or the compression. Let's get started. First, let's apply what we have into our equation. Y is equal to A x minus R x minus S. Now notice that the x-intercept of this root is -7, and the x-intercept of this root is -3. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the R and the S with -7 and -3. Y is equal to AX. Now, before I continue, just be careful. There is a minus here. So when you apply this -7, it becomes positive. And similarly, there is a minus right there. So that becomes positive as well. I'm going to simplify this. Y is equal to AX plus 7, X plus 3. Now, we're almost done. We have one big step. And in our case, they've given us another point, and the point happens to be the vertex. That's great. But if the point was somewhere else on this curve, that's fine as well. So let's use the point that they've provided. This will be our x, and this will be our y. And this will help us determine A. So let's replace the x and the y's with the following. X's will be replaced with -5. And the y's will be replaced with -2, or the y will be replaced with -2. -2 is equal to A. I'm just going to increase the space here. A minus 5 plus 7 minus 5 plus 3. That is equal to +2. That is equal to -2. This is equal to -4a, and this means that our a value is -2 over -4, which is equal to half. Now don't stop right there. Make sure that you apply this back to your growing formula. We stopped right there. So our final answer becomes y is equal to half, and you don't need to place the brackets there, but I did just to show that I replaced a with a new value. And just to make sure we have enough space, x plus 3. I'm going to highlight my answer. That right there is the equation that represents this parabola. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support our channel by subscribing or by liking this video. If you have any further questions, you may visit our website at biology-forums.com. We are an online service for students seeking free homework help. See you soon.